Okay, so here we've got three different types of wood laminated together. Reverse, some holes. On the top, a large IKEA tea light. On the other side are some drawers, as it's a bandsaw box, so you use the holes at the back to push through and the drawers come out, and they've got flocking inside, so it's like a nice filling inside to line the drawers, and they all are pretty much the same, with the exception of this one, which has got something else inside it, and that's another box. So that fits snugly back inside there. It's got to be the right way around. I think that's it. And that's my latest project.